We Muslim, we keep our names as Khalid, which keeps our children as Muhammad. We keep our children's name as Khalid, Umar, Uthman, Abu Bakr, so on and so forth. But we do not allow, the modern liberal Muslims do not allow their children to live their life like the name they have kept. If today, you tell me, a child wants to live a life like Khalid bin Walid, how many Muslim parents will be ready for that? Though you named your child as Khalid, how many Muslim parents will be ready for a son whom they named as Umar to live a life like Umar, or named like Abu Bakr and becomes like Abu Bakr? Or you have kept your name under a scholar, you have kept a child's name like Ghazali, or you kept a child's name and so on and so forth, okay? And he or she wants to become Islamic scholar. How many Muslim parents are ready to give? Ask yourself. Why? The liberal Muslims, or the modern Muslims, whom they call themselves, they prefer the dunya over the akhirah. Nasallallahu salam wal afiyah. Now, what will the result come? The result will not come right now, ikhwan. The result will come after 40 years. It will come after 20 years. When you will get into old age, and your children will become good doctors, maybe, good engineers, which you wanted to become, mashallah, tabarak rahman, but he will put you into the old age homes. Why?